Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee mentakasi ke khat artrek unaitung arajar arpulai ka penong ke Ïakhih ke basu Sngap jar ha Congress Bhavan halor ke jing Shamaj Rahul Gandhi na ke jinglong MP halok sabha ha ke ni ke sngi bakran bikilat patai kubor na kaliang unong elam kaliang persya ubadairu MLA ke Congress na Milium constituency uba Roni V Lingdo long bahadian baka Gujarat High Court kalarai ban matno ke jinglong MP jong Rahul Gandhi ko All India Congress Committee kala penong ke ni ke Ïakhih ke bajar-jar ha ke juk kapor uba Roni ulai thuru baka MPCC kala ya keren halor bun kimat ki baka sorkar NDA kala pen I ke jing ko ha ke kom trekam ke blakta I ke brio kham tam ke jingja ke baja Manipur ha ke bau menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi ukhlem don por ban sha skor lani ban ai tang ke jingkren ban wanra ya ke shongsok shongsan ha ke te ke jilla markani ke pen I baka thong ke jongki ke dei tang ban job ki election khlam de khen snap ya ke jinglong jingman ki brio ke blakta ya ke rihi baro ka we uba Roni loong ba ke dei tang ke Congress ke bapet ya ke jing e jong pat ba ha ba yo pat ban Sngap ya ke jingkren jong MP ke Congress national uba Vincent H Pala loong ba ke MPCC ke yang na bentau Rahul Gandhi bat ban ai ke jingkershan yo nong elam jong ka seng ba Vincent lai thuru ba ka seng ka sapan long ya ke jing Ïakhih ke ba kham he ha ki singi ki banwan
of the MPCC, where leaders of all the frontal wings are here, MLAs, MDCs, and some are not able to come because of their engagement. The purpose of this meeting is to lodge a protest, silent protest against the court ruling, Gujarat High Court ruling against our leader Rahul Gandhi, where they have upheld the ruling of the previous court, judicial magistrate, and so we have lodged a silent protest throughout the country. And Meghalaya and PCC also has done the same to hold this satyagraha silent protest against the action against our leader Rahul Gandhi. And then we've discussed many other things also with the pending MP election, MDC elections, so all this has been discussed. How to go forward and ensure that the party emerge victorious in this next two important elections. Party at the grassroots level and reach out to the party regarding the failure of the NDA government at all levels, be it the economic, be it the economy, be it employment, be it the price rise, so many issues that have affected especially the common people. And the economy has slid to such a level where it'll take years for the economy to bounce back to its previous level, previous year's level. And then you look at unemployment; it's at the highest in the last 45 years. We've not had this kind of rate of high unemployment. And then you see now the situation in Manipur, where the Prime Minister of the country doesn't have even the time to just, call for peace and harmony in that state among, the different communities. Only shows their insensitivity towards the Northeast, where hundreds of people have died, thousands have been displaced from their place, and the Prime Minister doesn't have the time to even, say a few words to request for peace and harmony. It only shows how insensitive this government is. Their only aim is to win election at any cost, by any means, without taking into consideration the human factor, without taking into consideration so many factors that are affecting the country, the common man, the armed army. That the only party that caters, that look after the interests of all sections of society is the Congress. So we are very confident of retaining the Shillong seat. We have our MP here, Honorable President, who is also the MP. We are very, very 100% sure that we will retain the seat, because I think you look at the other two states election, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka, where the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of the BJP spent weeks, months to campaign, but they were defeated, because you cannot take, the the voice of the people for granted. We cannot take the people for granted. So we are very certain that even in the country, this will be the same result.
To stand with Rahul Gandhi, our intention is to support him. So when somebody is convicted, when somebody is our leader, so our intention is to show that we are with you, whatever be the case, and we'll see it as a party, we are with you. That's our intention. It may help or it may not help him, but I think normally when you are in problem, if many people are supporting you, we start our meeting today with prayers for his future, relief. We start our meeting with our prayers that, people should know and India should be safe. They should know that the freedom of speech, freedom of express should be there. So with that in mind, I think we have today. Supposed to do in a big way, but within 2 days it's difficult for us to organize. Number one, we asked for permission, they didn't give us a permission. Number two, it's raining. So we thought that if it's raining, it's difficult because Shillong is very congested. It's not like other cities. So if we organize in a big way, then there are lots of inconvenience to others, not like before. So I don't know, but hopefully, you see, to organize in a big way, you need time also. You cannot organize within 2-3 days. So maybe in the future, today is the beginning, maybe in the future we'll definitely organize. You are right, we are planning to organize in a big way, but because of within 2-3 days we cannot do so. So we are sorry. And many states they organize in a big way because big states. But here so we'll do something. We had a meeting today also. In case anything, let's see what we'll wait for. Maybe I'm going to Delhi tomorrow. We'll discuss with them. We may have another program also. Thank you. Saling has gone to Chennai and Charles is in Calcutta. Like I've said, because in a short notice. So within 2 days, many of them have the prior engagement outside, so that's why Bakan has already had a program, so they told us in advance. So otherwise all of them are there. Whoever we call, all the district president came, all the block president, many of them came, all the mahilas, the youth and everybody came actually. They always jumped back. I think the permission was not given because the Gandhi statue is inside the compass of the, secretariat. So recently I've seen there's a problem of law and order. Number one. Number two is that we gave a letter yesterday only, so they may not have time to decide, so we discuss it. That's why to be told with Baroni and all, so we as an organized party, a national party, we should also see into law and order also. So with these things, I think we decided that we'll look at. So accordingly I informed in Delhi also, and since this is only a silent protest. It's not where we shout, it's not where we put slogans. That's why it's not there.